Good morning. Just getting ready to do some winter camping. It is -19 with a wind chill of -26 and some snow. I got my sled all packed up. I made a video a couple weeks ago on everything I'm carrying. The only thing that's different is I have my snowshoes as well. I know it looks really heavy, but it's not as bad as it looks. I added this canvas cover just to help contain everything. I don't want to lose anything on my way. I've been doing a bunch of testing, pulling this thing, and on hard packed snow it pulls like nothing. It feels like you're not even pulling anything. But as soon as you hit the deep snow, that's when it gets more difficult. These narrow runners just sink in the snow, so I added these couple of crazy carpets, help distribute the weight, and it's pulling a lot better. I'll be staying overnight, hopefully, depending on how things go. See, on the weather, it's not supposed to be that bad. Just have to get my backpack ready and a few other things, and I'll be heading out. And if you don't see a video from me, that means I didn't go, because we'll see how this thing is to pull. I might have to rethink what I'm carrying and maybe ditch a few things. Like this wood stove here, I got wood in it already, just in case, for emergency purposes. But if it's too heavy, I might just have to get rid of it. But that's how quick the weather can change around here. Just in 5 minutes.